not gonna do it unless you say those 3 little words.
I am not ready to say I love you.
What makes you think I want you to say I love you?
You wouldn't do it unless I said those 3 little words?
Suck my...
Okay, time out. Let me try to explain. You see, a few years ago, my friends and I made this bet.
Come on, guys. What do you say? Tomcats bet.
The last single man
Gets the whole pot.
and you're out if you go gay, Gary.
Hey, blow me.
All right, Gary's out.
And I really need the money.
I'm letting it ride. All of it.
You owe us $51,000, plus the minibar.
Now the only way for me to settle up is to get the last standing Tomcat
Oh, yeah, baby.
to settle down.
We just ran over your girlfriend. Hey, do not say that word.
Luckily, I've got a secret weapon.
Foxy lady. I'm gonna have to marry Kyle within 30 days.
I'm never getting married, right, honey?
Won't be a problem. I mean, how bad could this guy be?
From Revolution Studios
My dad's company invented this new drug. It's better than Viagra.
comes a comedy
This is the best wine ever.
about just how hard it can be.
We're all very excited to be here today. Clearly.
To stay single.
Fantastic. You're like a big bad dominatrix. Come on, show me what you got.
Here's Grammy.
Tomcats.
This season, they're coming
Awesome.
to wipe that silly smile off your planet. Big ones,
Any ideas?
little ones,
Snag one.
Snag one?
Yeah, snag one and put him in the bucket.
I seen this movie. The black dude dies first. You snag it.
nasty ones.
Get this thing out of
You're gonna be okay, Harry.
We might have to amputate.
Whoa, Doc! Don't take the leg!
It's hitting for his crotch.
Dang it, take the leg!
Is there some sort of alien attack happening here? And this kind of thing the government usually gets involved in. Shouldn't we tell them?
Absolutely not. I know those people.
David Duchovny, Orlando Jones, Sean William Scott, and Julianne Moore.
It was so hot.
From Ivan Reitman, the director of Ghostbusters, Evolution.
What the unholy crimson hell is that?
That's like a big loogie.